Lapa, Namaste and good afternoon everyone. I am Sumitra Maharjan, an English teacher from Mangal Secondary School. Very warm welcome to grade 8 students. I am taking this class through Newa FM 106.6 MHz radio education program conducted by Newa FM Anak Media. How are you, my dear students? Me too fine. Alright. Dear student, do you remember our previous lesson? Yes, we discussed on the poem Money. We learn money is important in our life. Different people use money in different ways. Okay, my dear students, today we will discuss on the festival. Turn to the page number 47, Unit 5. Let's look at the picture given below. There are different pictures celebrating different festivals. Okay. Picture number 1. What is it about? Do you see it? Yes, it is about Eid. Who celebrate this festival? Muslims celebrate. Yes, Muslims celebrate Eid. Now picture number 2. Look at the picture number 2. Yes. What is it about? It is about Gai Jatra. Gai Jatra, yes? Do you remember when do we celebrate Gai Jatra? Do you remember? Yes. We celebrate Gai Jatra in a later after Janai Purnima, which is coming soon. Next picture, look at third picture. What is it? It is about a Teej. Yes, it is about Teej. Then the fourth one, it's about Christmas. And the next one, last one, Chhath. Yes, it is about Chhath. Okay, from these pictures also, we know that our country Nepal is multicultural, multi-ethnic, multi-language, multi-religion country. There are many kinds of festival people celebrate. We celebrate, that means the names of various festivals that are celebrated in our country. From these pictures also we see we celebrate different variety types of festival. Okay, now we celebrate different festival. Can you list out? Can you say which festival do you celebrate in a year? In a year, we celebrate different festival. Can you say which you celebrate in your society? Okay. In Baisakh, we celebrate Mother's Day. It is also called Kushe Aunsi. Mother's Day. Buddha Jayanti. Then Ashar 15, which we have already celebrated. Haribodhani Ekadashi. Ghanta Karna. Janai Purnima, which is coming near. It is also called Raksha Bandhan also. Rishi Panchami. Gai Jatra. नाग पञ्चमी, श्री कृष्णाष्टमी, हरतालिका तीज, गौडा पर्व, इन्द्र जात्रा, दसैँ, तिहार, छठ. We celebrate different festival. Yes, we celebrate different festival. Among them, which festival do you like most? In a whole year, we celebrate different festival. Which festival do you like most? And how do you celebrate it? And is enjoying festival a good thing? Okay, we might celebrate many festival. Now among them, I like Dasai and Tihar. Yes, I like Dasai and Tihar. We celebrate many festival. These festival might be national and local. Some festival is a national festival and some festival is only a local festival. For example, Gai Jatra, which we celebrate it only in Kathmandu Valley, not in out of valley. That is local festival. And national festival mean Dasai Tihar, which we celebrate in whole country. That means it is our national festival. There are many festivals that I like most, but I like Dasai and Tihar. Why Dasai and Tihar? Dasai and Tihar are the most liked festival for me. Yes, for me. You also like Dasai and Tihar. Why? That is the greatest festival for us. Not only for me, you also like, everybody like that festival. Yes, student, I celebrate this festival with my family. How I celebrate this festival? I celebrate this festival with my family, relatives and friends. On the festival, I organize a feast and celebrate it happily. You also do like same. Enjoying festival is a good chance of meeting family, relatives and friends. When we celebrate festival, we enjoy with our relatives, friends and our family. Dear student, we can save our culture and customs. Because of the festival, we forgot enmity between us. Okay, let's move to our today's lesson. We celebrate many festivals, among them Holi. Holi is one of them, yes? Yes, Holi. Boys and girls, everybody like Holi festival. Dear student, do you like Holi? Do you celebrate Holi? When do it celebrate? Can you guess? Yes, most of the people like Holi. Yes, you like Holi. We like Holi. It is celebrated in Phagu Purnima in Kathmandu, and people from Tarai celebrate in a day later with joy and ceremony. Dear student, first of all, we will underline the words to know the meaning of those, okay? Okay, you also underline it. First one, The first word is victory. VICTORY, victory. Do you underline it? Okay, do you know the meaning of these words? An act of defending an opponent. An act of defeating an opponent. Now the next one, evil. Evil means bad of harmful things did. Bad of harmful things did. Okay, my dear students, it's have a time of commercial break. After commercial break, we will meet again.
जिकिथो नापाङको सर्ख जी सरस्वती मानन्दा थुगेले छिकपिस न्याना जना दिगुदो भाषा साहित्य हो संस्कृति या स नेवा एफएम सचिव खुफुति खु न्याना दिस न्याङ्गा दिस जी नेवा जुयागु गर्वयान दिस
Welcome back to our class. Dear student, we have underlined the words victory, evils. Now the next word, demon. DEMON, demon. Demon mean monster. Monster. Monster mean in Nepali राक्षस भूत. राक्षस भूत. Next word, devot. Devot mean supporters. Supporters. DEVOTEE. Devot. Devot means supporters. Next word, merry making. Merry making, a cheerful celebration and fun. A cheerful celebration and fun. Rejoice. 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 Rejoice means so great joy. So great joy. Next word, reveal. 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 Reveal means to show, expose. To show, expose. Smear. Smear means mark. Smear. 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 Smear means mark. In Nepali, घस्नु. Next, last word, atheist. 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 Atheist means a person who believes that there is no God. A person who believes that there is no God. These are the words which we underline and know the meaning of this. Now, let's move to our textbook. It is about Holi. Page number 48. Page number 48, Holi. Okay, read the following text and note information you find important. Okay, now I will read the passage. Dear students, please listen carefully. Holi is the festival of color. It is one of the most beautiful festivals in Hindu culture. It is a joyful festival celebrating the victory of good over evils. This festival is generally celebrated in the month of February or early March. People from Tarai celebrate in a day later with joy and ceremony. It is about the Holi. Phagu is another name for Holi. We can say Phagu also for Holi. Somebody say it Phagu also. Phagu means the scare red powder. It is mostly celebrated on the full moon called Phagu Purnima. People play with different color on this day. It is usually celebrated for a week in the Tarai. However, it is only the last day that all people celebrate with color. People can be seen going around the street either on foot or on some vehicles with a variety of color smeared over their face and body. Now look at this picture also. The boys and girls are playing Holi with different color. Do you see? And here they play with water also. During this festival, family member and friend get together and celebrate the occasion with a lots of merry making. It is also an outburst of youthful excitement, throwing color and water balloon. Water balloon is also called lolas at each other. The young generation or the youthful excitement throwing color and water balloon with each other. Why we celebrate this festival? There is a traditional belief also. In every festival we have the traditional belief. Now here also there is a traditional belief behind the celebration of Holi. Okay students, the festival Holi comes from the name of a mythical demon Holika. The myth about Holi reveals that Holika and Hiranyakashipu were sister and brothers. Hiranyakashipu had a son called Prahlad. He was a strong devotee of Lord Vishnu. However, Hiranyakashipu was an atheist king and planned to kill his son, Prahlad. He asked for the help of his sister Holika, but their attempt always failed since Lord Vishnu protected Prahlad. Now, why we celebrate Holi festival? We have one traditional belief. Dear student, therefore we celebrate Holi festival in Phagu Purnima. Do you understand? Okay. Holika had received a blessing from Lord Brahma to be saved from fire. So she planned to kill Prahlad in fire. She jumped into a fire with Prahlad, but Brahma's blessing could only be used for good purpose. Therefore, Holika was burnt in the fire, whereas Prahlad was saved by the grace of God. Thus, Holi is said to be celebrated to rejoice Holika's death. In this way, there is another traditional belief. We enjoy this festival, very rejoice festival. According to another story, there is another story why we celebrate Holi. From the Purans, the Gita, Krishna sent a female demon named Punta to kill his nephew Lord Krishna. Taking the form of nurse, Punta went to Vrindavasini. The child Lord Krishna was growing up there. She tried to breastfeed with her poisonous milk, but the attempt fired back and she was killed. Her body was burnt on the night of Holi, so some consider Holi as the festival of fire also. Holi is a time for fun and frolic for everyone. It is the time when one forgets worldly anxieties and just enjoy the finger their things in life. In this way, we celebrate Holi. Why we celebrate Holi? Dear student, we know about it is not only It is not only celebration because dear of traditional belief also. Therefore, every year we celebrate these festivals. Now, here are the exercise. Match the following words with other meaning. My dear student, I hope you can do this exercise. Okay, matching in column A and in column B. We have to find it. Okay? Try to do it. And the next one is read the text again and answer the following question. If you are confused, once again read the passage. Okay? You can give the answer. The question is very easy one here. Don't worry. In which Nepali month does Holi mostly fall? In which Nepali month? When do we celebrate? In Nepali month? Yes, Phagun. Phagun, yes, we celebrate in Phagun. Second one, what do people do with colors at Holi? What do people do with colors at Holi? Yes, people play with different colors on this day or at Holi. Who was Hiranyakashipu? Who was? Yes, he was the father of Prahlad, devotee of Lord Vishnu. What blessing had Holika received from Lord Brahma? What blessing had Holika received from Lord Brahma? To be saved from fire. Yes, to be saved from fire. Now, these are the question answer. I hope you can do it. I hope you enjoy and you understand about the Holi festival. Before leaving from here, I would like to thank my technician friend. Likewise, I would like to thank my school principal, Mr. Loklal Maharjan, the principal of Jan Seva School, Mr. Devraj Maharjan, and Mr. Juju Maharjan from Kirtipur Municipality Radio Education Program. From living here, I want to sing a goodbye song here. Okay, you also enjoy this song. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. So long, farewell, goodbye, my friend. So long, farewell, goodbye. We'll see you soon again, my friend. So long, farewell, goodbye. Stay home, be healthy. Thank you.